Hi everyone, thank you so much for returning to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a lace wig install. So I ordered a wig from eBay and this is how the wig came. It was a Kinky Curly unit and I just love it. And listen guys, these curls are beautiful. Okay, so now we're just gonna go and cut that lace and pop on that wig. There is combs in the back and combs in the front, as well as an adjustable strap. And I'm cleaning around my edges with 91% rubbing alcohol so that my lace and my glue can stick well. Let me tell you that rubbing alcohol is no joke. Now off camera, I did add the glue to outside of my hairline. I'm using the Isha lace wig glue and I'm just taking a blow dryer to it so it can dry. Now the glue is coming across blue on the screen, but it is white. So let me just speed this up for you guys. I'm just letting it dry and then I'm smoothing out the glue. Again, this glue, I'm not sure why it's coming out blue, but it is white. So now I'm just going to gently pull this wig so that it can adhere to the glue just outside of my edges. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I want my edges with this process. It's better to take your time. Okay, so we're gonna take the blow dryer again and just try to dry everything up. I am blowing the blow dryer on cool setting, always cool. Now, just to clean up the outside of the lace, there is a little bit of glue, so I'm making sure to take a little bit of that rubbing alcohol and cleaning up just outside of the lace. I'm making sure not to get it on the lace because then my lace will come up. So this is what it looks like. Now again, the hair is wet, so I'm gonna go in and just, try to style this a little bit better. Try to see how it's laying down. Now, I did not glue down the air tabs, so I'm gonna go back in with the glue and just make sure that the sideburns are laying down. Yeah, it's pretty much the same process as I did before. Now I did experience some shedding with this hair. I did buy it on eBay, like I said before. I bought it for $79.88 US dollars. Now I'm just playing in the hair. Now, I have not customized this hairline at all. I took it out of the eBay bag, the packaging, and I just washed it first, and then I plopped it on my head. So, yeah. Now the curls are a little bit too wet for me. I do tend to like the big hair, dry kind of look. So I'm just drying it out just a little bit so that I can get those curls a little bit dry. It is a pretty wet wig. Yeah, so this is what the curls look like when it's a little bit drier. I love it. And this is what the curls look like from the back. Yeah, guys, so this is the final look. Please subscribe, follow, and like. Tell me what you think about this wig. And as always, I love you so much, and I hope you will return.